Right, we're going to do an example on density, mass and volume. So this is find the density of an object that has a mass of 80 grams and a volume of 20 centimeters cubed. So our first step is just going to be to write the formula for density, mass and volume. I'm going to use the formula triangle, so that's what I prefer. So you've got density, mass, volume. I'm going to write the formula here in the margin as well to make it a little clearer. Density equals mass divided by volume. And then our second step is going to be to substitute into the formula, or in this case substitute into the triangle. So we draw a triangle out again. Leave enough space in the triangle so you can get some numbers into it. So we don't know, we're looking for the density, so we put a question mark there. We have the mass, it's 80, so we put 80 there. And 20 goes in the bottom right corner. And now we just do the calculation. So we're looking for the density, and therefore we have to work out 80 divided by 20. That's how you use the triangle. So it's going to be 80. That's the density that we're looking for. Yeah, so it's going to be 80 divided by 20. That's going to be the calculation that we need to do, which is going to be 4. But because the weight, the mass was in grams, it's going to be 4 grams per centimeter cubed because the volume was given in centimeter cubed. Right?